Hello, my name is Edna Lozada, and my signature assignment is on whooping cough. To best understand whooping cough, I will be going over causes, symptoms, and advances, as well as prevention and early detection. Now, what is whooping cough? It is a contagious respiratory disease caused by Bordetella pertussis that spreads via respiratory droplets from talking, coughing, or sneezing. A key fact about whooping cough is that it produces toxins that damage the respiratory tract. This leads to severe coughing fits with a whooping sound, which is where the name derives from. Uh, Pathophysiology and symptoms. The body's normal biological processes are disrupted when bacteria adhere to the respiratory cells, producing toxins that impair immune responses. It is the damaged ciliated cells that lead to persistent coughing. Here are the symptoms listed by stage. At first, a person experiences sneezing, mild fever, or a runny nose, then severe coughing fits or vomiting before they gradually start recovering. Diagnosis and treatment. To be diagnosed, a nasopharyngeal swab test via PCR or culture is done, as well as a chest x-ray in severe cases. To treat this disease, antibiotics are the most effective. However, hospitalization may be needed for infants. Vaccination is also an option as it prevents infection and severe outcomes. Global impact and vulnerable groups. The most vulnerable groups are infants under 6 months, elderly, and unvaccinated individuals. Epidemiology. In 2024, the US reported an increase in cases exceeding 10,000, and the World Health Organization estimated 24 million cases, resulting in approximately 160,000 deaths in mostly low-income regions. The role of AI. The role of AI. AI applications have the ability to analyze audio recordings to detect the whooping sound. This enhances detection and reduces delays in treatment. That concludes my report on whooping cough. I hope that the key takeaway is that vaccinations and early treatment are critical, and proper hygiene and isolation can help limit transmission. Thank you so much for your attention.